Hello, welcome to my channel. From this morning, we've been working on a recipe, but we wasn't successful. So we will take this back to our drawing board and work with it and hopefully come to the recipe that really works. As I said before, cooking is for trying and failing till you get successful. No one is perfect. We are all learners. And hopefully, we will come back to you early next year when we have the recipe working. But for now, I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and may the New Year bring a lot of joy, peace, and happiness in everybody's life. Thank you all for the views, the comments, and engagement for this year. And next year, we will aim to keep it going slow but smoothly. I hope you all watch to the many recipes that we have done, and you can use those recipes for your Christmas table, the roasted turkey, roasted chicken, and the leg of lamb roast, and even our tradition biryanis, and all our sweet desserts like our trifles, our peppermint task, and on the side the bites, which is samosas and spring rolls. There's many out there for you to make and enjoy. And have a wonderful Christmas feast. And don't forget our wonderful crab curry that a lot of people like to have on Christmas Day. So I want to wish all of y'all to be safe, relax, and a joyful Christmas. And we will catch y'all in the new year. Thank y'all all for watching and your support. This keeps me going day for day. So we'll catch y'all in the new year.